I'm about to show you a super simple way to save so much time, space, and money in the kitchen. I haven't cut an onion for over a year. This is how I do it. Instead of cutting each individual onion with your knife and cutting board, we're gonna dice up all of our onions in a food processor. Start by chopping off the ends of the onion. Take the wrapper off. I'm processing a 3-pound bag of onions. Pulse the food processor 10 times, not continuously. Pour the onions into a freezer Ziploc storage bag. Lay flat and work out any air bubbles. Here we're going to make a vacuum seal by creating a slight opening, placing a straw in the bag, and sucking out all the remaining air in the bag. Air creates moisture, which is the #1 result of freezer burn. Divide into 3 or 4 sections using your hand, across and lengthwise, which makes about half-cup portions. Then just find a nice flat spot in your freezer to store them until they get frozen. And that is how it's done. Food processors save time. Now you can go ahead and take out a single batch of frozen onions at a time and just add them right into your soups and stews, and you won't be slaving away in the kitchen cutting up a whole raw onion anymore. Save the time, save the money, save the space on the counter. This is such a super simple hack that saves so much time in the kitchen. Be sure to hit a like button if you like this video. If you want to see more kitchen time-saving hacks, kitchen cooking hacks, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.